Heal up. Come south. Keep healing. Yo,
They're stuck below. They're stuck.
keep healing. Yo, full engage. Yo, I'm gonna fake. Come north. Walk. I'm gonna fake. Faking now. In 5, 3, 2, 1. I'm faking. Nice. Now come back fast. Come back. Get ready, defend. Full demon. Nice one.
Patay na.
Everything north. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything north. The count. Very nice. No more north. Come north to us. Defend. Full defend. Come north to us now. Come north to us. We go inside. Come north to us. Brawl northwest. Brawl with me northwest. Yo, get ready to engage. How many seconds? Yo, get ready. Full engage. Inside of us in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on me. In the count. Yo, full bro. Healer.
I'm peeling.
Yo, go. Brawl inside. Get ready, defend. They still have engage now. Nice. Keep balling now. Kill those low. Yo, gonna fall engage. Southeast. We're gonna focus north in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill these two guys.
Southeast, they're running.
MR.
Ah,
Papasok
bigay
MR.
po.
Kill them all.
MC's here.
Yo, wait.
Look ko na to ba?
Knock ba natin, MC?
Hindi kalaban yan, balon.
Come back. No. We don't fight.
They have like 33 people.
Hey, careful guys.
Dito
Back guys, back.
We just fighting Minerva.
Maiwan ka na lang dito.
On top.
Ay, dito isa pa dito.
We have...
May isang Minerva.
Asa yung caller nila?
I-hit mo lang par.
Di
Yo,
mapano.
everyone, take the castle.
Take the castle.
Take the castle.
Dismounted pa siya, Paul.
Nalot nyo lahat.
Ito, dismounted pa isa dito. Sira ulo.
Yeah, all yours.
Ano?
May ano yan, may utang na loob sa akin yan. Tinulungan ko yan.
Yan. Parang linya pa yan ah.
Yo, regroup Regroup kami pagkatapos. Tangina, mamamatay ako.
Mamatay din ako.
Ay, look, Baloni, guys.
Full engage to.
Pabalik kami sa Southeast.
Wait lang, Ashley.
Tumingin ba siya?
Tito Balki is busy.
Ano ba sinabi niya?
Bro,
Yeah, he's not here.
Pinit heals.
Wait lang.
I will take care of you, Baloni.
Heal last meal.
Nice.
Wala na,
Dami din.
Baloni,
Kami nabuti sa atin, no?
That's me and my
Sarap ng
friend.
demon.
Grabe,
Napangulog
sila.
sila ng Infernal, yung sa likod natin.
Yo, full engage.
Nice demon there, guys. Pag ganun nag-i ka doon, Robas, pag demon mo.
Nice.
Hindi.
Nag-i din ako.
Nice.
Umikot lahat yung Infernal sa likod. Pagbalik natin, basag na sila.
Tuming forward si Baloni, iyo ko na yun.
Yes.
Cooldown, every
Dapat
cooldown
yung Baloni
binibitaw ko.
may nag-W1 talaga sa brawler mo sa healer nila.
Yo, full engage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Kinatakan ng W1 yung healer na nun. So,
Bakit binigay ng MC sa atin yung castle?
no.
Wanted to kill Minerva.
Puro brawler yung ano eh. Kupal.
May battle mount pa sila.
Kaya nga tas hindi pa tayo umabot ng party.
Pero grabe, may
Hindi
namatay
tayo
sa
umabot ng one party.
may engage sila na ano.
Sabi ko, we don't fight. Hindi kasi tinulungan ko sila dati. Nagpapat sila ng jugi dito.
Wala.
Wait. Screenshot.
Yung Ichihoji ko, Doy. Pinifeel ko na, Doy.
God damn! Okay, take.
80k na lang kailangan ko, guys. Suppose na rin ako. Ano? Purple core Baloni, oh.
What's bait, Orly?
Birada.
Spider.
Shit, Abby died.
Ah.
Ay. Yes, Abby died. Fuck lah.
Di may engage sila na 4 ata, 5 namatay sa atin.
Yung Infernal
Hindi, yung pagbalik natin dito banda, oh. Dito. Tapos biglang nag-easy.
Oh, everyone, hey. Take tulot.
Dito
Dami pang
Na front to back kayo. Nag-engage yung Baloni sa northeast, nag-full engage, nag-full dip yung DPS na sa southeast. Napatay niyo yung support and healers nila, yung support and healers nyo rin na compromise.
Ang bigat dito balon eh.
Okay.
Wala kaming bag.
Wala na akong ano. Trade kayo.
Spider.
O, kuha ni Daddy Bill, okay, kuha.
Ay,
Bag,
awa! Oh my God!
wala, hindi kayo bag na, no?